With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question here is that the assertion statement says that reductive amination involves the transfer of amino group from one amino acid to the keto group of a keto acid. The reason is that in reductive amination, transfer of ammonia group, this is NH2 group is ammonia group, from the glutamic acid takes place. So what do we see here? The options are that we need to tell here that if both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion, if both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion is true but reason is false, if both assertion and reason they are false. Now, when we talk about this thing, the reductive amination, what do we understand by reductive amination? Reductive amination. So the reductive amination, it is basically done in the presence of an enzyme which is the glutamate dehydrogenase. In presence of two enzymes, one is basically a coenzyme, out of which one is coenzyme, reduced coenzyme, better say, reduced coenzyme, NADH or NADPH, let us say NADH. Okay, let's write NADPH here as well, NADH or NADPH, right? Now the next is the enzyme, enzyme is the glutamate dehydrogenase. Glutamate dehydrogenase, right? This is reductive amination. In this, these two enzymes are involved, and the ammonia directly combines in the presence of these two enzymes. The process is the combining of, in this basically what happens, the combine, basically we see what combines ammonia. Ammonia combines, it combines directly in the presence of these two enzymes directly with what? With the alpha ketoglutaric acid, directly with alpha ketoglutaric acid, to form an amino acid, and it forms an amino acid. There is the formation of an amino acid here in the reductive amination process, right? Also what we see that on the other hand, there is a process which is the transamination. Another is the transamination. So what is transamination? Transamination here is the transfer of amino group. It is the transfer of amino group. What is an amino group? That is NH2 group. This amino group, this is transferred, right? So basically one amino acid, the transfer of amino group which is present on one amino acid, the transfer of amino group of one amino acid, there is the transfer of amino group of one amino acid with the keto group of keto acid, with the keto group of keto acid, right? So the basically what happens, the enzyme required here is the transaminase. Enzyme we'll write here as transaminase. Transaminase is the enzyme which is required here. So in this, a transfer of the amino group from the glutamic acid it takes place, right? So the enzyme required here is the transaminase or the amino transferase. Now the statement of assertion and reason that was saying what is? In reductive amination, it involves the transfer of amino group from one amino acid to the keto group of keto acid. And in the reductive amination, there is transfer of amino group from glutamic acid. Although the transfer is basically the transfer from the glutamic acid the transfer of amino acid from the glutamic acid, it takes place in the process of transamination, not the reductive amination. So here both the statements, they are wrong, because the transfer of amino group from one amino acid to the keto group of the keto acid is also known as the transamination. So here both the statements, they are false. So the answer here is that if both assertion and reason are false. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.